you a coach or healer who's looking to create more impact in your clients' lives? How are we going to be giving sessions? How are we going to be putting together powerful sessions that we can put together with our coaching clients that's actually going to inspire change? We are going to be having a system, having a model, having a plan that our clients are going to be able to use. You are going to be able to make the most impact. Conditional close helps you understand what the perfect world would look like and start building out an execution plan that is going to help them get there. Hey, so-and-so, if you were to take a look back over the X number of time that we were working together, or X number of sessions that we were working together as a coach or healer, what would you need to see have happen over that X number of time of us working together for you to feel happy about your results of working successfully together? You're literally conditionally asking them, like, in a perfect world of us working together, what would you need to see have happen right now while we're working together for you to be happy? Want more daily videos like this one? Like and subscribe to this channel.